Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I just walking while working, and along with that I'm recording myself because I do want to upload videos on the blog as well, and record myself as while speaking and walking. So these all multiple things which I want to do on the YouTube, and so I'll come on today as well because today is Sunday, so there is very less crowd, and because of that I'm able to record myself in a way where nobody can disturb me. And this is how a Sunday looks like. If I show you, there is no vehicles, but if we comparison in like Monday to Friday, there is lot of vehicles that you cannot able to park in a 10 to 11, where because that is so much crowdy that you need to park your vehicle outside of this building. So this is how the working look like. There's a lot of people who are working 9 to 5 jobs in everywhere, but yeah, along with that, if somebody's want to or passionate about some other things, and so he can basically do that as I'm working and doing. So yeah, but he needs to be work, and so there is a lot of people make excuse that how we can get time, how we can work for ourselves. So it is your time, basically it is your improvement. If you want to improve, so you have to get some sort of time out from your routine. So yeah, this would be very helpful if you see in a longer term. So you will get some sort of things such as I'm getting, like I'm basically say I can say that I remove like 30 to 40% of my hesitation while speaking in the videos and recording myself, because this will basically helps me to speak to a people, person basically who can able to speak fluently. So I can basically understand, I can communicate with him. So and along with that, I want to basically work on YouTube as well. So for that I'm also recording, and just let's see like how YouTube algorithm search me. So on today's note, I'm completing this video. Actually I have uploaded, I have recorded previously as well, and at the time I haven't able to basically press the start button, and because of that I haven't recorded. And while recording this way, that is very difficult because your hands are shaking, you need to work basically that is very difficult. I think on this note I'm completing this video. I hope you watch this video. Bye bye, have a good day.